Hello viewers, hope all of you are well. After installing Windows, no other device is showing except C drive. If you have such problem, then this video is for you. Stay tuned. First of all, go to this PC, manage, disk management. Here you can see other drives are showing except C drive, but no drive letter is showing. So the drives are not showing either. So I will select the drive letters from here. I hope you understand. If you have benefited from this video, then please don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe.